Then interrupt circuitry. What is called as interrupt? What is mean by interrupt? Any idea? What is your view about interrupts? Come on.
Yes, sir. Whenever the program is running, if the program sensor information or something like that, so the program will try to process that. Take it as an it assume if there is any change in the value of the sensor. So
Okay.
Interrupt is nothing but it is a type of flag which will raised by our controller. So when the interrupts are generated, there is a sound. We need to take some actions to be performed based on the interrupts.
Okay. So the interrupts are a disturbance, interruption. You are doing a task. I am delivering the lecture to you. At that time, someone is ringing bell. What I did, I paused delivering the lecture and I went to ask who he is, what he wants. I satisfied him. I sent him out. And then I returned back to my desk and started delivering the lecture again. From the place where I left. I am not starting it from the beginning. I start from the place where I left. Right? So the person who ring the bell, no, he is creating a interrupts in my actions. Right. I paused delivering the lectures to you and I went there, no. That is called handling the interrupt. I go and serve, I do a service, what he want to, I meet that requirement. After that, I will come back to continue that one, no. This is resuming my original task. Right. So interrupt circuitry. So this, if this is like a normal interruptions that we have.
Are you engineering graduate who want to kickstart your profession in automotive domain? Are automotive professional who want to switch your job to interesting positions with higher packages? Are you professional who look to work for great automotive OEM? Are you software professional who look for automotive job in Germany, France, UK, and US? Not sure about where to start? Then contact Yahasia Software for more details. They have nearly 20 years experience in corporate training and helped many professionals to achieve their dream job in automotive domain. They have students across 67 countries. They are conducting regular training on various topics. Automotive system testing using Python and embedded C for automotive are trending courses from them. Hence, to make your dream true, contact them now using 875-451-8745.
That happens. In a microcontroller, what sort of interrupts can happen? While the microcontroller is doing a job, a timer may expire. It can receive a character from a PC via serial communication interface. It can receive a CAN packet from another module. It may receive a TCP packet from another module. If there is a button in that microcontroller, user can press that button. Keyboard interrupt. If there is an analog to digital converter, it has completed the conversion. So data ready interrupts. Like that, a microcontroller may have different interruptions from different peripherals. Those were running parallelly. When such an interruption has come, microcontroller will stop its current activity and will go and serve those specific task. Moment it completed that, it will come and it will do its regular task. This is more common in real-time applications. You will do a certain job. When you get a call, you will go and serve and return back and do your job again. For that, every microcontroller will have a circuitry. there is something called interrupt vector table, those sort of things. That is there in microprocessor as well. So this concept is common to both microprocessor as well as microcontroller. We will study them in detail in upcoming sessions. Then we have a buses. These buses are nothing but your different program bus, data bus that you have in your microcontroller. Okay, now these are the different components: central processing unit, ROM, RAM, input outputs, timers, interrupt circuitry, and buses. Right. We will elaborate them in detail in upcoming session, one by one, and then how to use embedded programming to drive them. Okay. Now, with this, I end today's session. Let me catch you tomorrow with more detail. Okay. Now.